You have been too available. You have been too understanding. And what has it gotten you? Confusion, silence, and the feeling that you are always the one waiting for a reply. The nice girl chases. The nice girl explains herself. The dark feminine selects. Attraction is not about looks. It is a psychological game of power. And right now, you are giving all your power away for free. Today, we are flipping the switch. Here are 7 psychological tricks to stop chasing, detach, and make yourself absolutely irresistible. Trick 1: the slowdown. Anxiety moves fast. Nervous energy rushes. It interrupts. It stumbles over words to fill the silence. Power moves slowly. When you are around someone you desire, your instinct is to speed up to prove your worth. Don't speak 30% slower. Move with deliberation. Trick 1: the slowdown. When there is a silence, do not rush to fill it. Sit in it. Speed signals insecurity. Slowness signals that you are comfortable in your own skin. Trick 2: the velvet rope. Why is a diamond more valuable than a stone? Scarcity. You treat your time like it is a free public park open to anyone, 24/7. You need to treat your time like a private club. Stop being instantly available. If they ask you out last minute, the answer is no, even if you are free. You are teaching them that your access is limited. When access is limited, value goes up. Put up the velvet rope. Trick 3: we are addicted to dopamine. And do you know what triggers dopamine the most? Uncertainty. When you text back instantly every single time, you kill the tension. You become predictable. And predictable is boring. Let the text sit. Let the silence breathe. You are not playing games. You are living a life that does not revolve around a notification screen. Create space. In that space, they start to wonder about you. And when they wonder, they obsess. Trick 4: the selection frame. Most women walk into a room asking, do they like me? Am I pretty enough? Did I say the right thing? This is the audition frame. You are acting like you are trying to get the job. Flip the script. Enter the room asking, do I like them? Do they meet my standards? Stop trying to be chosen. Start being the chooser. When you stop seeking validation, you automatically become the most magnetic person in the room. Trick 5: strategic mystery. We are obsessed with unfinished puzzles. This is called the Zeigarnik effect. The human brain remembers incomplete tasks better than finished ones. If you tell him your entire life story on the first date, you are a finished puzzle. He puts you back in the box. Give 60%. Keep 40% hidden. Be vague about your plans. Don't explain every detail of your day. Leave gaps for his imagination to fill. The version of you he creates in his head is far more addictive than reality. Trick 6: the withdrawal. The person who is most willing to walk away holds all the power in the negotiation. When you feel disrespected, do not argue. Do not write a long paragraph explaining your feelings. Simply withdraw. Silence is louder than shouting. When you withdraw your attention completely, it creates a vacuum. They will feel the cold. Your absence will teach them what your presence was worth. Trick 7: the secret garden. This is the most important trick of all. You must have a secret garden, a part of your life that has absolutely nothing to do with him. A passion, a goal, a world where you are the main character. When he realizes that you are perfectly happy without him, that is when he becomes terrified of losing you. Be your own muse. The dark feminine is not evil. It is simply a woman who knows her value and refuses to negotiate it. Stop chasing. Start attracting. If you are ready to enter your villain era, comment "I am magnetic" down below. Don't forget to subscribe. Welcome to the other side.